Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the first video of our new video tutorial series. So basically we are going to learn a new software that's named Factory.io, and we are now currently seeing that's official website of this software. So you can also visit that factoryio.com and you can download the trial version of the software. You can experiment with this software. So let's jump into our first introduction video about the Factory.io software. So at first I want to tell you all that I am not master in this Factory.io software. I am still learning and still exploring its features. There is no good tutorials available on YouTube or any other platforms about this software. So then I thought, why not learn together? So if you are agreed with this learn together thing, then please make sure to comment below #learn together. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video and share with your friends right now. So it is an introduction video, so I am going to show you a demo project which I made through this Factory.io software and simulate it, and in the next video we are going to see about how to open the software and the basic interface about this software. So I am simulating this simple pick and place automation with TIA portal, Siemens TIA portal V15 software. So I made the ladder logic programming, and I am currently simulating this simple pick and place automation with the help of this TIA portal and PLC sim. I am not having currently any physical PLC or any physical device, but I can simulate this whole automation without having a single physical device. So that's the main point, and that's why the Factory.io is a very good software for presentation purpose, and it is a very good simulator. So let's start our project. I'm starting this. So this is going to pick the object and placing it in this another conveyor. Here we can see different camera angles. This whole process is automating through our TIA portal software. Here if I on the monitoring, you can see here and this automation is running. So you can make this kind of automations virtually by the help of Factory.io software and Siemens TIA portal. So if you like this video, then make sure to like and comment below, and make sure to subscribe Technical Astronauts YouTube channel. And in the next video we are going to learn more about this software and how to make small and logic programming and apply it and make small automations. So if you follow this tutorial series, I am guaranteeing you that after completing this tutorial series, able to make this kind of automations and programming by your own. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next video very soon. Goodbye for now.